saying? Yeah. Check it out.
I walk around town with the pound strapped down to my side. No frontin' just in case I gotta smoke some. Round here, heads don't act the age. It might be another dead boy on page. Into the cipher with your lighter. L's are ready, prepare for another all-nighter. But keep a watch for the cops, cause they rock Glocks. Coming on the block trying to rock knots. Pigs be acting like they bigger than us niggas from the streets, cause we stalk mad deep and them walk beats. I guess them hold a grudge cause I won't budge. Playing tough, staring down the judge with my hands cupped. Standing there with my nappy hair and my dirty gear. All a war year, now I'm up out of here. Pigs lift me up and down with the front. Is it because I'm down or is it because I'm from Bucktown? Home of the original gun clappers. 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 Home of the original gun clappers.
Got 5 MC that wanna contest weed. Got your nooses ready hanging over the trees. Bring on your sounds and get drowned by my massive. Kill your body boy and hold your lover for hostage. Knock, knock, nigga, knock, that's 4 shots empty. On a violator that was sent out to get me. I'm told up from the flow up and everything's black, but still I'm on point, ready to buck, ain't nothing sweet, Jack. Bucktown, I represented on the love. Deeply rooted from my Timbs to my dick above. Don't sweat the bulge coming from my hip. Grip what you get hit when I let my tool click. Nowhere to run, ambush lurks in the dark. Helter skelter smirks while you're getting torn apart. Here comes the rude boys with the ganja plants. Smif-N-Wessun generals of the boot camps. Home with the original gun clappers. 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 Another murderer, just another prankster. Rude boy dead, cause I'm taught him was a gangster. Tried to live the life of a hood from the streets. Test the wrong dread, now I'm in eternal sleep. It's the Ripper Eye, lurk in the sty. Twist up the ganja when I wanna get high. With my brethren, up the session. Learn your lesson, or get blasted by Mr. Smith or Mr. Wessun.
Bucktown's everywhere, I swear, it's clear to me. You feel the weed, now I really see. Nightfall round the way, original has come out to play. Puff fur break through, it's just the regulars. Every day, stay to be and I. Mind's all the way, rhymes feed the mind in time. I find reality follows me where I roam. 360 degrees back home. Home with the original gun clappers. 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 Home with the original gun clappers.
Once again, Smif-N-Wessun, you do it like this.
Welcome to them, bro. They got a good vibe for that shit. I like to feel good when I'm listening to your music. Whenever I get that internal feeling, like, yeah. Man, it's your boy D checking in real quick. Know what I'm saying? I'm just here to leave y'all with a quick message, dog. Look, if you got something you want me to listen to, make sure you drop it below in the comments. I am going to watch it. I'm going to get it uploaded for you, and I'm going to do it quick, bro. That's all I had to say, and I hope y'all enjoying the video. I love y'all, man. Keep watching. See how my nigga looked up at the camera? That nigga was on some shit this day. Look at him. That nigga said,
yeah. I don't think these peeps know. Yo, it's finally on for real, dude. Brothers better recognize Smif-N-Wessun up in the chain. Bucktown boot camp. Bring it up.
Raised like a rock on the block where the cops carry and the hard rocks carry with props and black hearts.
Meet up with my peeps on the corner in the morn. Get on, get on, and prepare to get it on.
What does it take to get the break in the world of snakes and those who fake?
Maybe a taste of this here.
True. Now what them go and do when Smif-N-Wessun come looking for you? Sin.
I'm coming with my boot camp click, my troops.
Bringing the ruckus, rocking the whack groups that switch just to get loot.
Not trying to go out like the rest, to be the best. Just to get rough, it's off my chest, nothing less. Get it on.
Smif-N-Wessun and we do it like this.
Get it on. Nothing less. Get it on.
Smif-N-Wessun and we do it like this.
Get it on.
Smif-N-Wessun and we do it like this.
Get it on.
Smif-N-Wessun and we do it like this.
Let's get it on.
Smif-N-Wessun and we do it like this.
Let's get it on. I've been paying my dues for the longest. No more
From
corners.
chest to chest.
See who's the strongest. I got your block on lock. Now you getting dropped. New law and order.
Smif-N-Wessun.
Setting up shop.
The underground flavor is major. I check you later. Gotta get with my peeps and get paper.
No time for sleep. Gotta hit the streets with my peeps.
Get with Mr.
Tell
Warm.
him hit us off with this fat beat.
Hit the sack and rip the track back to back.
Feeling the vibe.
Come around the click, at your contacts. We bringing drama to your wannabes.
Do me a favor.
And bring on the real MCs. Respect the odd representative.
It's Smif-N-Wessun.
Sent to give you a rundown of how it is.
Yo, how it is.
We do what we do, we don't fake
What?
it. We just take it.
So
let's get it. On.
Smif-N-Wessun and we do it like this.
Let's get it on.
Smif-N-Wessun and we do it like
Word,
this.
let's get it on.
Smif-N-Wessun and we do it
Hey,
like
yo,
this.
let's get it on.
Smif-N-Wessun and we do it like this. Yeah. Huh? You ready? Man, I think so.
Knocking at my front door. Time to face drama once more.
Once and for all.
Settle the score.
I can feel the heat from the hot concrete. Cops walk the beats, but the crooks rule the streets.
Come and mingle in the cipher of a no good hood. Try to survive.
Bucktown.
Jump if you could.
The struggle's no different and the pain's all the same.
All the same game.
Just label with a different name.
When beef gets thick, I stick with my boot camp
Mr.
flick.
Ripper.
Mr. Fix the awesome real.
No doubt, keep it in the heart, you have it named.
Smif-N-Wessun representing from the cradle to the grave.
Yeah.
Smif-N-Wessun and we do it like this.
Let's get it on.
Smif-N-Wessun and we do it like this.
Let's get it on.
Smif-N-Wessun and we do it like this.
Let's get it on.
Smif-N-Wessun and we do it
Now
like
let's
this.
get it on.
Hey yo, this is straight up to all the heads. That's up to they biz. Check it out every day like so. Smif-N-Wessun representing on the flow. Nobody to say it.
These niggas get active too, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all keep it coming, bro. Keep it coming. You feel me? These niggas get dumb active. I'm fucking with them. They hold everything about these niggas, man. Smif-N-Wessun, boot camp, click, all that.
We kill you already, and you want to follow around. There is no form of threat to we call. When it comes to lyrics, we have it. So come.
Boom, bye bye to a soundboy head. Ruben and promote no nasty man, them off he dead. Giving him two dead to him chin. And then me your friend fake the funk, I put the junk to an end. Now who the rude boy want test the OG? I find his family to identify he. I bet you never thought I bust. Surprise, I'm a 45 oak head just like me
Try
dreads.
test the champion sound, you're getting bucked down. Recognize the boot camp, click out of Bucktown. Gun thirsty little bastard, always blasted from the sacks of chocolate of Mother Gaston. You say you're number one wicked selector. I say you and I wet ya. Keep the bull for a pull, this your trigger. Cause you don't wanna test me when I'm tipsy off the liquor like the punk they call McGirt. Got his feelings hurt. Showed his true colors, had to yank up his skirt. Now he's in misery, trying to cop a plea. To him head from gun clapper number 3. See, lick off a shot, you know, rider. Lick a shot, on and up on fire.
Now everybody wanna be down gaga, and all around New York niggas be talking, but we be stalking. In the darks when the dog starts barking, but in the day we weary of where you be walking.
Some very along we not take down faithful. Then same boat can click and rest and know you get done we sing. Some very along we not take down faithful. Then same black card scavenger rest and know you getting done we sing. Some very along we not take down faithful. If you're done Smif-N-Wessun rest and know you getting done we
Me
sing.
nah sex, me rough like the wicked youth in me. That other half that be bugging off the truth. You see, original criminal run the town. Crime pays, that's what I practice. So active, you won't get blasted by my 9 shot. Come around my block, find a nice spot in the pine box. Murderer, soundboy killer, fun to leave filler. We bout to get iller.
Soundboy, you got enough reason to worry. Coming with my troops, we about to bury. Better pack your dubs and move in a hurry. He's off, sin. Look Looking at my pager, it's about that time to load up the line and do my daily crime. Warriors, conquerors, the man before ya. Mr. Ripper, aka the enemy killer. My man with the is my man indeed. And all you sucky ducky just catch knots with speed.
Some very alone with nothing done faithful. The same boat can click and rust and no young getting done with sing. Some very alone with nothing done faithful.
Hey bro, that's the switch up is crazy, bro.
Some very alone with nothing done faithful. If you tell Smif-N-Wessun rust and no young getting done with sing.
Lord, some boy gonna get dead tonight. Duke gas a retreat brother from my Tim boots. Target upon sight, trick upon cock. Adjust your pupils to see your dead boy walk. Nothing more going die this year. Here comes the boot camp, slide it to the rear.
The rain coming like a hurricane, licking shots. More untouchable than with the chicken pox. Dreads and froze out to get the doughs like Bisquick. From now until Louisville still packs the biscuit.
99.
Smif-N-Wessun OGC. It's the beast from the east and gun clapper number 3.
We bring the realness, feel this, boom is black moon, reveal this. We come to let you know what the deal is. Straight up, we serve justice. So if you can't be trusted, may you return where the dust is.
Yeah, there's many songs that going around and going on.
Yeah, these niggas get off.
Like a cloud,
Okay.
but I'm telling you, clean up your work and come to the livestock, or you are dead stuck from morning and now it's evening, everything's changed. You know,
But y'all know what this shit remind me of, bro? Y'all know that song with like Kanye and like Kanye, fucking Pusha T. I'm gonna just show y'all right quick, bro. This shit right here, bro. That's what just the beginning part though. That's what these niggas kind of remind me of.
For real, when we look and say, Lord have mercy, hey, 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 hey. Tell them fake come if I trouble them move on. Oh, we a go lick them with the finesse and charm. Tell them fake come if I trouble them and take a look, go take a look in at the camp lyric smoke. Tell them fake come if I trouble them move on. Oh, we a go lick them with the finesse and charm. Tell them fake come if I trouble them and take a look, go take a look in at the scavenger lyric book. Cause every page full of style and full of a fashion. We don't believe in pirate material mind.
I definitely done heard this shit before, I ain't gonna lie. I don't think I ever heard them on this song. I just remember this being a Mary J song shit. But if they own it, I know, you feel me, they elevated this motherfucker. Come on, 6 minutes.
This is how we do every day, all day. This is how we do. This is how we do. Smif-N-Wessun don't play. This is how we do. This is how we do every day, all day. This is how we do. Click, click, click in the night. I shine,
You shine,
shine.
I shine,
You shine,
shine,
I shine.
you shine,
Shine,
I shine,
you shine,
shine,
I shine.
you shine.
In this day and time,
We maintain
the same
frame of mind.
elevation.
Spark it up.
Yo, start the circulation.
360 degrees in rotation.
Stimulation as the herb bless my physical creation. Slip into a hallucination.
Situations.
Got me thinking about my life seriously. Keep it real continuously.
Before I slip into blackness, I prepare for combat. Protect my dome, cause that's where my home's at. Crack my windows, inhale as the mist flows. Build up my mental, construct on my fist.
Spreading love to my Brooklyn crew.
Who be you?
Bad boys.
Smif-N-Wessun coming through.
Check it still. Traveling through the battling, handling all that's challenging to the very end. This is how we do. This is how we do. Every day, all day. This is how we do. This is how we do. Smif-N-Wessun don't play. This is how we do. This is how we do when we get down with Mary J. This is how we do when we break day. Click, click, click.
Those pretty memories, I know you can hear me now. For the record, I love you, I love you. Those pretty memories, I know you can hear me now. For the record, I love you, I love you. When I found out that you were leaving me, I couldn't sleep thinking about all the things that we
hell, raising hell till the day got dark.
Got me reminiscing back like Mary J. When I sit back and peep the game people play.
Too hard to get over, cause I'm going through life like a soldier, holding the weight of my fate on my shoulder.
Blazing trees with my duck down family. PNC, 1 LOVE.
You know how we do. This is how we do. Every day, all day. This is how we do. This is how we do when we get down with Mary J. This is how we do. This is how we do. Smif-N-Wessun don't play. This is how we do when we break day. Click, click, click.